Step 1. Click on Ride Files and copy the provided link. Step 2. Paste the copied link and click Add a website. Step 3. Earn $21.90 per action, and with 12 actions per hour, you can make $260 every day. This method utilizes Google Translate to generate income. Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to make up to $22 every 15 minutes using Google Translate at translate.google.com. The process involves translating between languages, and by following this unique method, you can potentially earn 10 times more than traditional Google Translate strategies. Stay tuned as I guide you through the steps to start making money with Google Translate. Remember to like, subscribe, and let's dive in. Let's jump right into it. The first step is to visit cpaygrip.com, a website I really appreciate for its simplicity in making money online. Here's how it works. Share a link to an offer, easily obtainable from this website. Whenever someone clicks on that link and completes a simple action like entering their email or first name, you earn a commission. In today's method, I'll demonstrate how to leverage CPA Grip and Google Translate to maximize earnings, potentially surpassing the typical CPA Grip user by at least 5 times. This method is accessible globally. All you need is a PayPal account for receiving payments. To get started, click on Register, located here. Fill in the required details, and then click Register Now. Once you've successfully signed up and logged into CPA Grip, you'll be directed to the dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll find a public chat board where various CPA Grip users share their earnings. Examples include someone making over $4,000 with 3,000 leads, another in the 6 figures with $100,000 on CPA Grip, and more success stories. CPA Grip proves to be a potent, lucrative method for making substantial money online. Many individuals, including those I personally know, have found great success with CPA marketing on platforms like CPA Grip. It's a highly effective way to generate income online. Now, let me guide you through the process of selecting an offer that we can effectively promote. I'll demonstrate how to utilize Google Translate to significantly amplify your commissions, achieving a 5x to 10x increase in earnings compared to traditional CPA marketing methods. To kick off your earnings with CPA Grip, start by clicking on Offer Tools and then navigating to My Offers. This will allow you to explore and choose an offer for promotion, ensuring you start earning substantial commissions. Upon clicking My Offers, you'll encounter a variety of available offers tailored to your country. To optimize your earnings, simply sort the offers by payout, focusing on the highest payouts. For instance, consider promoting an offer that rewards $2.06 for every click on the link, where individuals entering their email address stand a chance to win an iPhone 14. The beauty of this method lies in not selling anything. Instead, it involves encouraging people to participate in the draw by entering their email addresses. While $2.06 might seem modest, envision the potential when, using the method I'll illustrate, you manage to attract around 100 participants. This results in earnings of approximately $200, a respectable outcome for a straightforward and effective strategy. With the method I'm about to unveil, we can escalate our earnings to nearly 10 times the standard amount. Rather than securing about $2 for each person clicking our link and entering their email to win an iPhone 14, we're poised to earn closer to $20. If you appreciate this content, please ensure to hit the like button and subscribe, as I'm now guiding you through selecting an offer that not only pays over $20 per click, but also revealing how Google Translate can boost your visibility on a website with guaranteed traffic of over 1,000 potential participants. This ensures a substantial yield in CPA marketing commissions. To optimize our earnings, especially for each action performed through our link, it's advisable to filter offers by European countries like France, Italy, Germany, and Spain. These countries often yield higher payouts per action. Let's take Spain as an example. Filtering by payout reveals that Spanish offers pay around $20, with some exceeding $19 for each click, where a user performs a designated action. Switching to Germany, the highest payout, there is presently over $25 for each click and corresponding action performed. This strategy allows us to maximize our earnings for every user interaction with the offers we promote. Choose the offer labeled here, the one I've found success with. This French offer mirrors the one we discussed earlier in the video but is presented in French. You'll earn $21.90 every time someone clicks on the link and completes a straightforward action, such as entering to win an iPhone 14. Don't worry if you don't understand French. It's not necessary. Copy some of the text, paste it into Google Translate with French selected, and you'll see the desired action, like entering a mobile number. CPA marketing simplifies the money-making process, since we're not selling anything. We're merely directing individuals to perform simple actions, such as entering an email or mobile number. We'll earn over $20 every time someone completes such an action. Copy the link from your offer, choose tundrafile.com as the tracking domain, and paste it somewhere safe. This link will be shared, and every click with a corresponding action will earn you $21.90. Now let's explore trafficadbar.com, a website where we can advertise our link for free, guaranteeing over 1,000 clicks every 3 days. If only 10% of these visitors perform the action, that's 100 people entering their mobile numbers, resulting in substantial earnings. If we calculate 100 people performing the action after clicking on our link, which pays us $21.90 for each person, that's a total of $2,190 generated simply by promoting our link on this website. Even if we take a more conservative estimate, say only 1% of visitors perform the action, that's 10 people. In this scenario, we would still earn over $200, $219 multiplied by 10. Considering it takes less than 15 minutes to set up, this is a highly efficient method. Even in the worst-case scenario, if 1,000 people click on our link and only one person performs the action, we still earn $21.90 for less than 15 minutes of work. This is because trafficadbar.com guarantees over 1,000 visitors to our link every 3 days for free. This website is an excellent resource for generating traffic to the link we're promoting. To get started with trafficadbar.com, you need to sign up by clicking on the Sign Up button, providing simple details like your first name and email address, and then clicking Join. Once signed up, you'll see a page prompting you to finish setting up. Click OK and select a time option, then save. After copying your CPA link, it's recommended to shorten it using a free service like bitly.com to make it more appealing. Paste the shortened link into trafficadbar.com, add a title and description in both English and French using Google Translate, and target the audience in France. By following this process, you can post your ad on trafficadbar.com and potentially reach thousands of French visitors, maximizing your CPA marketing commissions. Additionally, a bonus tip is to explore other French classified ads websites, such as Le Bon Coin FR, to further promote your link and tap into a larger French audience. Scaling and increasing your earnings are possible by leveraging Google Translate in this manner. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future online money-making content. See you next time.